Need to cancel an Offerup order? Here's a quick guide on how to do it. First, let's start with canceling an open offer. If you have made a shipping offer using the Make Offer button and the seller hasn't responded, you can cancel it within 24 hours. Tap the Inbox tab to view your message. Make sure you are in Message tab and look for the conversation related to the item you want to cancel. Open the message, then tap View Offer to see the details. Next, tap Cancel Offer and confirm by tapping it again. Remember, if the seller doesn't accept or decline your offer within 24 hours, the offer will automatically be cancelled. Once the seller accepts your offer, you have made a commitment to buy, and at the point, you can't cancel the order anymore. Now, if the seller accepts your offer and you really need to cancel, you will have to message them and ask if they can cancel it for you. And if you used to use the Buy Now option, unfortunately, there's no way to cancel that order once it's placed. That's how to cancel an offer on Offerup. Hope it's helped. Thanks for watching.